it's useful to remember that there are cultural differences in how people perceive interruptions. For instance, some cultures regard interruptions and crosstalk as normal. To give two specific examples, those of Italian descent tend to see interruptions as an acceptable way of showing interest in a topic. Meanwhile, people raised within Japanese culture often believe that it is acceptable to interrupt someone to ask for clarification. When you meet someone who seems especially quick to interrupt, consider the possibility that there is a culture gap. It isn't appropriate to ask someone to describe their family's heritage, but just knowing that these differences exist can help you remain calm and patient. You can bridge the gap by making an explicit request such as, "I've got something really important to say and don't want to forget anything, so if you have any questions, could you please save them for the end?" Put it into practice. Today's exercise is really simple, or at least, it's simple in theory. Count how many times you interrupt other people in all your conversations, and then use the tips above to stop yourself. Ideally, you should try to talk with at least 3 people. If you can do this while in a group, even better. The first time I tried this exercise, I was dismayed to discover that I struggled to even let people finish their sentences. My intentions weren't to be rude or annoying, but my conversation partners must have been thoroughly irritated. Unless I make an effort to keep myself in check, I still catch myself interrupting others a bit too often. It's a tough habit to break, but your friends and family will thank you for it. Who knows, you might learn something new if you master the art of keeping your mouth shut.